what's up everybody? Your man, Guro JD Olsen right here. I had just come back from the Train with the Legends in Asano camp, and a big part of it, of course, was Junfan Gung Fu or Jeet Kune Do, and a big part of what I took away from that particular week was there's a root technique, there's a prefix and a suffix. And I was thinking about, like, well, how do we apply that to our Filipino martial arts training? You know, what would be a root, what would be a different prefix and different suffix, or a different beginning and different ending? And it got me thinking, one of the drills that Guro Ron Balicki taught me during the pandemic on our Zoom training had exactly that in it. And I thought I would do a video for you guys and share that with you guys today. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I have my two sticks, and these are the 2022 Asano Academy sticks. So I'm pretty happy about that. And so the root technique for the day is going to be Heaven 6. All right, so I'm going to be here like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just a standard Heaven 6 combo, okay? Remember, it's if I switch my lead, so it's a forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand. It resets. Forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand. And you get the idea. Okay, and this is simply Heaven 6. Pretty much everybody who's ever done Filipino pretty much anybody who's ever done Filipino martial arts for any length of time has done this drill. They've done the Heaven 6 or the Heaven series drill. So that's our root technique. Now we're going to add in a prefix to that. And our prefix is going to be, when I make this first hit, I'm going to snap it this way with an ABANICO, snap it this way, and then pull through. And then I finish my move. So the very first technique has a little flair to it. Okay? Pull through, hit, hit, pull through. Pull through, ABANICO, 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 hit all the way through, and then here. You could look at this as an angle 1, and then an angle 1 on the other side. So it doesn't have to be a full ABANICO all the way across. You could do it that way. I am doing an angle 1, ABANICO, ABANICO, angle 1. My backhand hits are right there. ABANICO, ABANICO, hit, backhand, backhand. So forehand, all the way to backhand, backhand. Forehand, backhand, backhand. And that's the idea behind the first prefix. So you now have a technique which is simply Heaven 6. And then you also are adding in a little flair. If we just do this, this is what we call our ABANICO series on the closed. I'm closed because my hands are like this. I ABANICO here, here, and now I ABANICO all the way through the target. Backhand, backhand. ABANICO, backhand, backhand. Putting that in with our Heaven 6, I pull my first angle 1 all the way through to the ABANICO here, and then I go with an angle 1 again, and then I do my backhand. Pull your move through, backhand, or ABANICO, ABANICO, angle 1, and then we're here. All right, so now talking about our suffix, again, with Heaven 6 as our root. All right, as I go here, pull through, pull through. On this one now, I pull through, hit, hit, and then I reset myself. And now I pull through, pull through. As this one goes, it hits this ABANICO line on the opposite side, and then hits through on this one, which resets me. This is only a 10 count versus the previous one was a 12 count, but you get the idea. It's still a suffix versus a prefix. So again, this first hit comes through, second hit comes through. As I set this hit up, I pull it through, I hit here, and then I come underneath. And now 1, 2, here, ABANICO, and then all the way through. You could ABANICO and then again go back to the angle 1, but since we've already kind of done that, I thought I would do ABANICO here. So looking at it, 1, 2, pull through, bink, bink, all the way through. 1, 2, pull through, double hit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was going to do the prefix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the previous one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then, of course, we can put these together and have a prefix and a suffix. And that'll look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you're talking a heaven 16 count. So I showed you a heaven 10, a heaven 12, and now you have a heaven 16. And there's nothing saying that that's the name or nothing. You can just train it however you want. But the idea was taking a root technique, okay, which is my heaven 6, and then adding in a little bit of flair, okay, a little bit of sparkle, and just going in. So again, prefix, and then the suffix. And now you're ready to go. Well, there you guys have it. Not a really long video today, something kind of short, just kind of a tips and tricks video. Something that came out of Filipino Kali from Guro Ron Balicki, and I got thinking about it from the Train with the Legends camp from the Inasano Academy, so I'm rocking his shirt today. Well, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. You guys stay safe, keep training. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that share button, smack that subscribe button, and hit that bell icon so it really helps us out. We just broke 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all for that. You guys are awesome. Stay safe. This is Guro JD, and I'm out.